We are all familiar with the fight or flight principle in biology, which states that an animal responds to a threat by facing or fleeing it. Nature responds to these threats in some fascinating ways. This list will show you the 10 animals with the strangest ways to protect themselves. Number 10. Flying fish. There are many creatures that have the ability to fly, but fish are not among them. Flying fish can leap from the water and fly or glide for long distances. This is a defense mechanism used to avoid predators. The flying fish has a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body that allows it to gather enough energy to break through the water's surface. The fish swims at speeds of up to 37 miles, 60 kilometers, per hour to get out of the water. The fish's pectoral fins have evolved into large wings, allowing the fish to fly. It can fly for up to 656 feet, 200 meters, after leaving the water, using its tail fin as a propeller. A flying fish was observed gliding for 45 seconds in Japan in 2008. Number 9. Hagfish. The hagfish is the only animal with a skull and no vertebrae and has been around for 300 million years. When provoked, it ejects a repulsive, slimy substance at predators. The slime expands as it mixes with water, producing up to 5 gallons, 20 liters. As the attacker tries to get out of the mass, this creates a distraction. It also forms a knot in its body, which, together with the slime, allows the hagfish to flee the clutches of a predator. As the slime accumulates in the gills, it can choke the fish. The hagfish has been known to slime sharks. The tiny threads that make up the hagfish's slime are 10 times stronger than nylon, which scientists believe can be used to make clothing. Number 8. Potato beetle. The potato beetle has devised an unusual strategy to avoid being eaten by larger insects. The larvae are covered in their own feces. The dung is poisonous, and the foul odor deters predators. The beetle feeds on the nightshade plant and recycles the toxic substances it excretes. A fecal shield is a type of defense. Feces is guided onto the beetle's backs by a series of muscle contractions in the abdomen, where it forms the shield over time. Number 7. Boxer crab. When it detects a significant threat, the boxer crab will use sea anemones attached to its claws to deliver a powerful punch. They resemble pom-poms but are deadly to other sea creatures and have a powerful sting. When disturbed, the crab waves his claws around to ward off danger. The two organisms have reached an agreement because they both benefit from the arrangement. The boxer crab gains an incredible defense mechanism that would put most other animals to shame, and the anemone becomes mobile and can obtain more food. In place of the anemone, the crab also eats sponges and corals. Number 6. Eurasian Roller. To avoid becoming food for a hungry animal, the Eurasian roller's offspring, like the potato beetle, will cover themselves in their own body fluid. This time, however, the shield is made of vomit. The vomit-covered baby birds are less likely to be eaten because they look and smell bad. When the parents smell the vomit, they immediately return to the nest to ward off the threat, which is usually a bird of prey or a snake. This is the only bird observed communicating through vomit. Number 5. Sea cucumber. The sea cucumber's defense mechanism is nature's most repulsive. When disturbed, it will eject its sticky intestines and other organs from the anus, entangling the attacker. This confuses and distracts the opponent. The intestines of some species are poisonous, containing a toxic chemical called holothurine. To extract the insides, the sea cucumber's body contracts violently. The creature doesn't seem to mind, and the organs are quickly restored. The regeneration of missing body parts takes about 6 weeks. Number 4. Turkey vulture. When a hungry predator approaches the turkey vulture, it regurgitates its entire stomach contents. This is used as either a food offering or to drive predators away. The vulture's vomit is absolutely revolting, and the stench repels most predators. Because it is lighter, the vulture can flee more quickly. Although, by this point, many predators would have fled. Some starving animals will eat vomit, despite the fact that it is highly acidic and can burn. Number 3. Japetella heathi octopus. This octopus can be found in the oceans at depths ranging from 1,900 to 3,200 feet, 600 to 1,000 meters. The Japetella heathi octopus has had to evolve in order to avoid 2 types of deadly predators: those that hunt by looking for silhouettes created by the lighter waters above, and those that hunt by using their own light from bioluminescence. Except for its eyes and guts, the octopus is almost completely transparent to avoid creating a silhouette. These, on the other hand, have become reflective, reducing their shadow. This lets light pass through the creature, making it less visible to predators. However, this is a disadvantage when it comes to predators with bioluminescence, such as anglerfish, because the octopus will reflect the light, making the fish easy to find. When the octopus detects the anglerfish's light, it activates skin pigments to avoid becoming food. These pigments enable the octopus to change its color from blue to red in less than a second, significantly lowering its reflectivity. The octopus is effectively rendered invisible to anglerfish and other headlight fish as a result of this. When the threat has passed and the light has faded, Japetella heathi returns to transparency. Number 2. Iberian ribbed newt. The Iberian ribbed newt, on the other hand, takes this to a whole new level. The Iberian Peninsula and Morocco are home to this creature. When threatened, the newt will push its ribs through the skin and out of tubercles on its sides. These ribs serve as weapons against attackers. Despite the rupturing of skin, the newt is not bothered by the process. It accomplishes this by shifting its ribs away from the spine, increasing their angle by up to 50 degrees. The skin is stretched, and the bones are visible. Simultaneously, a poisonous substance is secreted through skin pores. The spiky ribs pierce the attacker's skin, allowing the poison to enter. This can even result in death. The newt's defense is extremely effective. Number 1. Malaysian Exploding Ant. Although the Iberian ribbed newt is unaffected by its defense mechanism, the Malaysian exploding ant is not. By blowing itself up, the ant defends the colony from attackers. The ant has 2 large glands all over its body that are full of a poisonous chemical. If it is attacked, it will tighten its muscles very quickly. This causes the fluid-filled glands in the head to burst, releasing the sticky, poisonous substance at the target. This substance entangles the attackers while also causing severe irritation and corrosion. This both restrains and kills the creature. So, guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about the video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.